Alright, looks like I need a real test of this stupid thing here. Battery jumper or whatever the hell this thing is. Truck won't start. For some reason. A 3-hour drive has killed the battery for some unknown reason. Well, don't know why. It says light diesel motor. It's an F350, that's light, isn't it? Still won't start. Damn beeper. Alright, so let's see if we can figure out how to make this thing work. Gotta plug this thing in someplace. Right here the big hole is. Over here. Square post and a round hole, right? Alright. Let's see here. I gotta get underneath here. Yeah. Oh, I'm supposed to bite on that thing. So this thing's supposed to charge itself up off the dead battery. .7 volts. So it's charging this thing up, 20% charge rate. I don't know if you can see that or not in the picture. Find out. It's supposed to make a bunch of noise when it's ready to go, I guess. When it's 100% charged, you hit that button. You got 5 seconds to go start it. I think that's what they're claiming. Yeah, it was charging quickly. Now it's at 47%. So I wonder why this thing won't start. Big motor, that's why it won't start. It's a Napa Legend battery. They never go bad. .59% or 60. So be another minute or two. Oh, there's the motor it is. It's a power stroke. V8. 6 liter. %. Alright, so it'll take a few minutes. I'll be back. Alright, we're back. Really up to now 99%. The light helps or hurts it. It says 9 volts in the battery. Power on. Okay, so we hit this button right here. Almost. This motor we have to crank for like 10 seconds before it'll start. That's the problem with it. Finished. Yeah, the battery's finished. We already know that. Yeah. How do you reset this thing? It obviously didn't start. Just gonna try it again. So you wait for a beep, beep, beep over there. There it is. Nope. It already used up its power. Yeah, shut up. Let's see if we disconnect it. Turn it back on again. Recharge it. It's gonna be 99% charged. 60%, I think it says. Alright, we'll try it again. I'll be back. Alright, back again. 99%, 9.2 volts. Power on. Oh, almost. That was close. Finish. Oh, crap. Nope. Nope, not enough balls for a diesel. Big diesel anyway. Alright. To go to the neighbor and see about getting a jump now. Meantime, we'll try this one more time. What the hell, we're here. It draws down to 60% each time we do that. Alright, we're back. Alright, we're back again. What do we got this time? Didn't say anything. Okay, let's try it again. Nope. Get worse, not better. Alright, I got the neighbor coming out with jumpers, so this has failed with big battery or big motor, so it doesn't work on power stroke. So we're gonna try a truck over here and see if that works. All right, we got it running. I had to use the jump box and jumper cables off the blazer over there to make it start. So this does put out good power, but not enough on its own, and the truck wasn't enough on its own either. But now you just figure out why it's not charging the battery up all the way. So, oh well. So it does kind of work, but not too good on big diesel motors.